How to make a free mobile app for business using Jotform. Are you thinking about building an app for your business but you don't have budget or the knowledge on how to get started? Let me tell you that you can do it for free with no code, and I'll show you how. So stay tuned with me. For this, we are going to use Jotform. Jotform apps lets you create a custom app in minutes. With its no-code drag and drop app builder, you can add forms, documents, links, images, and other elements to create a fully customized app for your company. Once you have created your app, it can be downloaded onto any smartphone, tablet, or computer in just seconds. Now, an app is an effective marketing tool and a sure competitive differentiation in today's digital marketplace. It can speed up brand, product, and service promotion, improve customer understanding, and supports market research effort. And also, studies has found that mobile apps can increase sales if it is used strategically. So let's get started. Before we move ahead to this tutorial, please consider subscribing to this channel so that you will get updated for everyday content. For using Jotform, first you have to sign up with an email, and for that go to your browser and type just jotform.com and click on the sign up with an email. Now write your name here, email address, and a password here, and after that click on this checkbox and sign up. After signing in, click on Jotform products and navigate to Jotform apps. And get started, it's free. And it's important to note that free plan allows you to access all the features that are available. However, you do have a 5-form limit and a max of 100 monthly submissions on your app form. And when I get to this page, I have this 4 options to start it from scratch or use a pre-made template, and build store where I can collect orders and donations through my online store. And there is an option called build one for me, in which I just have to answer few questions, and Jotform will create an app for me. But for now, I'll use this pre-made templates, and it is an ideal idea if you have zero experience in building an app. And once you start making them with Jotform, you will get to know more and will be able to create it from scratch. So just click on it, use template. And here I have something like 300 of pre-made templates, and they are all categorized as per our convenience, and we can search it, and we just have to write a relevant keyword. And I also have this option of preview them before I start creating an app. So I will just type restaurant, and it will show me the best possible results. And when I scroll down over here, I can choose from any of this, and also before choosing I can preview them. So I'm going to preview this template called restaurant mobile app. Once we get in, we have 2 options for preview it in mobile phone and in a tablet. And when we scroll down over here, we have this QR code, and when we scan it with our mobile phone, we can have a live preview of this template on our mobile phone. So if you like this template after previewing it, so just click on use template. Now I am on my app, and in order to customize it or edit it, I just have to click here, and they will show me this option, and I can edit it, and it will show me the basic edit settings. So I can change the name of the product, price of the product, also write some description about the product, and I can also change this image from here. So now I'm going to give you a preview of how to do it. So in this product name, I'll just edit it with espresso, and I don't write any description. And in order to change this image, first delete it, and after that choose image, and we have 3 options. Upload from your device, just drag and drop from my images which are saved in your Jotform, and enter a URL. So for now I will enter a URL. And it's done. So after I am done with these settings, I will just click back, and when I click here and click on this products, I'll be brought to this whole product list where I can change this product title and add a new product, and also delete a new product. And I can hit back, scroll up, and if I click here, I can change the name of restaurant from here, write a description for my restaurant, and also I can change the logo color, logo background color, and also I can select an icon from any of this. For example, if I choose this, it will appear here. And if I change this background color from red to something else, it will immediately change. So I'm gonna change this restaurant name as the Classic, and change this description with something else. And if I want to change this inbuilt icons with my own image logo, then I can just simply click here and remove icon, and after that I will have 2 options uploaded from my file and my images. So I can just drag and drop my icon and it will appear here. So we are keeping the icon which was there before. I don't have to change that. And again I am telling you that to make any of the changes in this app, just simply click on it and choose edit, and you will be able to make changes in it. And below here I have this reservation table. It's basically a form which I can edit and make settings in it, and if I want then I can also delete them. And after that I have my footer where my restaurant contact number, my restaurant Gmail address, location of my restaurant is given, and here are some links to my restaurant YouTube or Facebook or LinkedIn handle. And I click here and go to settings. I can change the icon color and also insert an link to my all of the YouTube channels, or maybe Twitter or LinkedIn and every other social media. And on our left we have this add element where we have form, heading, paragraph, link, document, image and many more things. Every business is different and requires many things on their app, so take your time and discover every single element and choose what is best suitable for your business. And when I click exit this, and what I can do is click here on this app designer, and from here I can change the color scheme of my app. I can change the background color of this app. I can also change the background image if I want, and from here I can change the background color of this list. Right now it's transparent, but if I want then I can change it to something else. And here I can change the fonts of this app. They have kind of a variety in fonts, and choose as per your business type. Now I think we are done with all these customization things. Now this is where I can finally preview my app, so I will just click here on preview app. So this is where I can preview my app, and I can also preview it in different orientation like mobile phone, tablet or a desktop screen. And just make sure your app looks best in every different orientations. And if I click on try it on your device, I will get a QR code, and if I scan it with my mobile phone, I can preview it live on my mobile phone. And you can also copy this app link and open it in new tab, and just make sure that it looks good on your desktop too. And if we are done previewing our app, then I'll just simply exit it. I'll head to settings, and here in settings I can enable or disable that our app will appear on a specific date, and I can also allow users to save their submission and complete the form through the app later. I can also show add to home screen modal when user opens the app, and I can also add the progress bar. And now if I head to left side, then I will click on this app name and icon, and from here I can change my app name. So you can give it your business name or maybe something else. So I will just write my restaurant name here, and from here I can edit the icon of my app. I can just keep it whichever it is, but if I want then I can also change it. And after that we have this splash screen, and this is how splash screen appears when users open your app. Splash screen is basically a loading screen, and you can go ahead and customize it too. And finally we are navigating to publish. Now Jotform makes it super easy for your customers to get your app. They will not find your app in the App Store or Play Store. You can send a link to your customer and they will be able to open your app, and you can download a QR code to share it with your customer, and they can easily open your app with it, and you can embed that app onto physical marketing materials or across your different social media channels. And for the accessibility of your app, you can click here and change into private access, public access or company access. And finally just scroll down and download a QR code, and when you scan it you will be able to get this app on your home screen. Now it's important to note that with free version of Jotform, you will have watermark of Jotform below your app. In order to remove it, you need to upgrade to paid plan. Hope you guys find this helpful, and thanks for watching my video. I'll surely catch you up in the next one.